Let's spin a disc.
We have seen leaders of states visiting organizations that are committing atrocities. I'm telling you what I know. It's happening especially in Africa. Yet the leader of a state was supposed to go through the doctrines of the organizations of the men of God. You don't want to be found sitting in a church simply because there are 20,000 people, and right in there are 13-year-old girls that are pregnant, officially married. 12-year-olds are married. And when they come out 20, 30 years later, the whole world is saying, why were you quiet? How do you report such a man when you see your abuser sitting right next to power?